Hey traders from all over the world, it's Jeremy Alexander News with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing awesome. I know you're probably like, I was hoping for a stock video today. The market was crazy. It was pretty bananas. We did do a stock review in the trading floor, which we have Monday through Friday. Should have been there. We will have speaking of the trading room, we will have a free preview the first week of 2016. So it starts January 4th, that Monday, and goes all the way to Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, we really do not do many free trading room previews because we give everything else away for free. And we have some previews on YouTube of what the room is like. And we have a 7-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. We are on break for the next 2 weeks for a Christmas, holiday vacation. So we're on break. If you want to get into the room, make sure to sign up. We have a free preview into the room. Just get everyone there. Get your grandma, get everybody in there for the first week of January 2016. We probably truly won't have another one until, June or July of 2016 when some big news are going to happen around then, I believe. Regardless, we're going to talk today about what kind of trader are you. You probably might be excited about 2016, might have some resolutions, might have some goals. Maybe you're thinking to yourself, I want to start learning about financial stuff, right? Because it's a pretty big world out there. And I'm going to break it down to you this way. Regardless of what type of trader or investor you think you are, it is always important to get education. I did get a few emails today, which always is a sad day, but you have traders who will lose $1,500, $15,000, $100,000 in a day in their portfolio or on individual trades, and they refuse to get education. It doesn't bother me who you get education from. I'm not saying this, you have to get an education from me or from anyone that I endorse from any other companies. There's a lot of other companies out there who do really well at teaching stock market principles. I personally think that we're the best and we obviously are the most inexpensive, but there's some other people out there. Pay for education, just at least learn what you want to do, because here's the truth. If you're going to trade, you have two choices. If you're going to learn how to trade and you're going to educate yourself, you are either going to need to be someone who is in it every single day, all the time, just grinding away. That's one goal, and that's all you got to be. I mean, that is your life work for a few years. And if you're like, that's not for me, I just want to learn how to invest and make a little bit of extra money in the stock market. Here's the biggest tip that I can give you if you're listening to this video right now. Learn one thing. So go find someone out there who teaches one thing about a longer term strategy and then master that one thing. Learn how to make money doing one thing. If I can give you an example of like playing basketball, learn free throws. Okay? Go sit on the free throw line and shoot free throws all the time, all day. Why? Those do score points in the NBA, if I'm not mistaken, and you can win games like that. And you could also be on a team of 3, and the other 2 guys are really good at something else, and you just do free throws. And if you have a 99% free throw accuracy, you could probably get on a team, like college team. I don't know, that's a pretty high score or percentage. But regardless, just master something. If you like investing, you like the stock market, you're interested about what Apple does or what Google does or what this stock is doing, what that stock is doing, learn a little bit from a company, whoever that company is. There's so much information out there, ladies and gentlemen, for you. Don't spend your money learning the mistakes of the market just through that, the daily grind, the yearly grind that most people go. Go find someone who is making money or who you believe is making money, or a friend who is literally can show you wads of cash and say, you know what, I traded today. And ask them how they do it. And the key is going to be simplicity. Find the most simple, basic plans possible and rinse and repeat over and over and over. I had a trader today, and I have a few of these who specialize in like 5 stocks. And that's all they do. Now, granted, there were once potentially a coaching student, and they were maybe not doing that great. I said, hey, focus on these 5 stocks. It doesn't matter what 5 stocks it is. It could be any 5 stocks. But you focus, right? You become really, really, really good. I know a trader who only trades CSX. That's all she trades. The Choo Choo Train Company. It's one of the most boring stocks in the world to me, but that's all she trades all the time. You think she's good at it? Yes, she's really good at it. I have 2 traders who trade United States Steel all the time, and they make money hand over fist because they master it. They've specialized in something. So if you do work 40 hours a week, you love your job, whatever your job is, and you think to yourself, you know what, I'd like to invest in the market, learn a really basic, simple strategy. Buying stock and selling covered calls, buying low, selling high, learning how to play stops, and just learn that one simple concept and do it over and over and over the long term. Now, the other part is that people who maybe not be interested in investing at all, that's dumb. Simple as that. Learn investing. Okay, learning investing has nothing to do with trading the stock market. That's two different things. There is trading, and then there is investing. And investing your money is probably one of the most beneficial things you can do. Albert Einstein said one of the most powerful forces in the world is compounding interest. Compounding interest doesn't mean just taking your money and putting it into a savings account, although it kind of can, but investing. It doesn't matter what you're investing in, but learn how to invest. And that's the key. It can be investing your money. It can be investing your time. See? It's about investing. Once you start learning that there are different standards out there are different standards of investing your time or investing your money. Once you realize that some people, they don't think about jobs as how much time will I make or how much money will I make per hour. There's a lot of people out there that will say, how can I become the person to make $100 an hour? Or better yet, how can I become the person, how can I become valuable enough that a company or person will pay me $100 an hour for my time? It's just something to think about, right? It's just a different perspective. It's all about investing. And investing doesn't necessarily have to be about money or the stock market, even though that's usually the most common term, right? Take $100 a month, put it into the stock market, and just keep doing that for 45 years. If you do that even, just do that. Like, just do something. Invest your money, invest your time, invest. Because if you invest in yourself, you will reap the benefits. And specifically also, the other third one, if you invest in others, right? If you want to make $1 million, find a way to help 1 million people. That's what Real Life Trading is going to do. We're here to enrich 1 million people's lives. Don't know what's going to happen, and don't know if we'll ever meet that $1 million mark or not, but I know for sure we're going to help people. We're going to impact people. That's our goal. I hope that's your goal as well in life, because the more that we can do, the more goals that you have, the more attributes that you get better at, the better you'll become as a person. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this little blurb. I will be throwing some stock reviews your way next week. Don't worry. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. Love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.